With increasing work from home culture due to this lockdown situation, we all are working on our laptops or computers excessively and spending most of our time in jumping between Chrome tabs every day. Hello everyone, I am Ravneet and in this video I will be sharing some Google Chrome shortcut keys which you should use to make your work from home more productive. Are you a guy who opens a lot of tabs at once and then accidentally end up closing those which you should not? You can use Ctrl plus Shift plus T to reopen the tabs which you have just closed. This key can be a lifesaver for you. Again, if you are the same guy who works on a lot of tabs at once and you end up using your mouse to navigate between tabs, you can use Ctrl plus Tab and Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab to navigate back and forth between tabs, and if you want to go to a specific tab number, then you can just press Ctrl plus respective number key for that tab. If you always open a link in new tab like this, then you can just press on Ctrl and click on the link to open it in new tab, and if you want to open it in new window, then use Shift key instead of Ctrl key. To quickly open new tabs, press Ctrl plus T, and if you want to open a new tab in incognito mode, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N, but you should also know how to close them quickly. For that, press Ctrl plus W to close the current tab and Ctrl plus Shift plus W to close the incognito tab. If you want to search something, then instead of going to search box and then typing in it, you can use Ctrl plus K to quickly jump to search box and then immediately start typing. Suppose you are reading a really long article and you want to save it to read it later. Here Ctrl plus P will be handy for you. This key will let you save your article as a PDF file and you will also be able to share it more easily. Do you see that arrows? We use these to navigate through pages. You can save yourself from using your mouse every time by using Alt plus right arrow to go forward and Alt plus left arrow for going back to the page. Hard to read, isn't it? Well, here you can use Ctrl plus plus key and Ctrl plus minus key to zoom in and out on a page. If you are someone who always go to history option to open the website which you opened yesterday, then Ctrl plus H will let you open the history tab for you. And the last one in this list is switching between your Google accounts. Ctrl plus Shift plus M will let you switch between different Chrome profiles. It can be useful for you if you always have more than one Google account signed in. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hit like and subscribe to my channel if you learned something new today. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Till then, keep watching.